Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po'y magninilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagmumulan ng awa at tawad ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. Today we are celebrating the feast of Saint Bartholomew an Apostle. Hinabati ko po ng isang maligayang pagdiriwang ng kanilang kapistahan ang lahat ng parishioners ng Saint Bartholomew Parish sa San Manuel, Pangasinan, sa pamumuno po ng kanilang kura paroko na si Reverend Father Hurley Solfelix. Happy Fiesta po sa inyong lahat. Kakaunti po ang nalalaman natin kay San Bartholomew na siya ay taga Cana or Cana, and probably he witnessed the first public miracle of Jesus at Cana. Then he did his mission in Arabia and later on went to Armenia. There in Armenia, he was martyred, and his way of martyrdom or way of death was something painful and cruel. Tradition has it that Saint Bartholomew was flayed or skinned alive. Saint Bartholomew is identified with Nathanael, whom we can hear in the gospel reading today. He was invited by Philip and said, "We have found the one Moses wrote about in the law and the prophets. He is Jesus, son of Joseph from Nazareth." And the initial response of Nathanael was, "Can anything good from Nazareth?" He did not believe because scriptures has it that the Messiah will come from the city of David in Bethlehem, not in Nazareth. And then he could not believe it because Nazareth was an unknown town, a very remote area, and so he was convinced that the Messiah would not come from Nazareth. And Philip simply said to him, "Come and see." At nangyari po yung pagtatagpo. At habang palapit pa lamang po si Nathanael, Jesus told him, "Here comes an Israelite, a true one. There is nothing false in him. There is no duplicity in him." In other words, Jesus saw the sincerity of Nathanael or Saint Bartholomew. He was sincere in speaking out what he believes, in speaking out what is in his mind. Kaya po natural, walang pagbabalat kayo. Si Saint Bartholomew, kung ano ang nasa puso niya, kung ano ang iniisip niya, yun ang kanyang ipapahayag, yun ang kanyang sasabihin. But then we can learn lessons here. Jesus showed him na hindi po gumagalaw at nag-iisip ang Diyos base sa kung paano tayo mag-isip, kung paano tayo kumilos. God works in mysterious ways. In fact, God can make what seems impossible for us possible. And so let us not try to box the Lord in our own understanding, in our own mind frame. Pangalawang lesson, sinabi ni Jesus sa kanya, "But you will see greater things than that." Ibig sabihin nun, here, Jesus is telling Bartholomew or Nathanael that it is very important yung personal knowledge o yung personal na pagtatagpo sa isang tao. Hindi natin pwedeng husgahan ang kapwa-tao natin base sa kung ano lamang yung nakita natin, kung ano yung sinabi ng ibang tao, pero kailangan kilalanin natin ng personal ang ating kapwa-tao. And here Jesus gave him an example that he called Nathanael in a very personal way. He called him by his name, and he knew, our Lord Jesus Christ knew personally who Nathanael is. E sana po sa ating mga ugnayan, pahalagahan natin na magkaroon tayo ng personal contact, personal encounter with one another. And let us also look at our relationship with God in a sense, in a way that it must come from a personal encounter with the Lord. And when there is a personal touch, there is a personal encounter that is deeper and that is more profound kind of relationship. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, huwag kalimutang i-like, i-share at mag-subscribe sa Salitaw Facebook page and YouTube channel. Muli isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.